Wunderwaffe is German for wonder weapon, and was a term assigned during World War II by the Third Reich propaganda ministry to a few revolutionary superweapons. Most of these weapons however remained more or less feasible prototypes, or reached the combat theatre too late, and in too insignificant numbers to have a military effect. A derisive abbreviation of the term emerged, Wuwa, pronounced voo-vah. The V-weapons, which were developed earlier and saw considerable deployment, trace back to the same pool of highly inventive armament concepts. Therefore, they are also included here. In Germany, the term Wunderwaffe is still used today to describe a powerful tool. Naval vessels, aircraft carriers, Graf Zeppelin a 33,550-ton aircraft carrier laid down in 1936. Never completed. Flugzeugträgerkarency a Europlanned sister ship to the Graf Zeppelin. Scrapped before launching. Year, 1942, a planned 56,500-ton aircraft carrier, converted from a transport. Cancelled before work started. Battleships, H-class battleship a series of proposals for battleships surpassing both the U.S. Navy's Montana-class battleships and the IJN's Yamato-class battleships in armament, culminating in the H-44, a 140,000-ton battleship with 8 20-inch guns. 2 only laid down. Scrapped on slipways, U-boats, ocean-going U-boats, rocket U-boat a planned ballistic missile submarine. Project abandoned. Type 18 U-boat a U-boat designed to use air-independent propulsion. Several were under construction when the war ended. Type XXI U-boat Electroboot a the first U-boat designed to operate completely submerged. 118 were built. Type XXIV U-boat a planned U-boat designed to use air-independent propulsion. Type XXVI U-boat a U-boat designed to use air-independent propulsion. Several were under construction when the war ended. Literal U-boats, Type XXII U-boat a U-boat designed to use air-independent propulsion. 2 were under construction. Type XXII U-boat a U-boat designed for literal missions. 67 were built. Type XXV U-boat a planned all-electric U-boat designed for literal missions. Submarine aircraft carrier. Type 11 a U-boat designed to carry the Arado R-231 collapsible float plane. 4 were laid down but cancelled at the outbreak of World War II, armoured vehicles, anti-aircraft weapons, Flakpanzerkegelblitz a self-propelled anti-aircraft gun, anti-tank weapons, Stura Emil a an experimental tank destroyer, super heavy tanks, Land Cruiser Pages 1000 Rat a planned super heavy tank, weighing 1,000 metric tons and armed with two 280mm cannons, 128mm anti-tank gun, 8 20mm flak guns and two 15mm heavy machine guns. Land Cruiser Pages 1500 Monster a proposed super heavy self-propelled gun, weighing 1,500 metric tons and armed with the 800mm Schara Gustav Dora gun. Panzer VII La Paragraphe a planned super heavy tank, weighing 90 metric tons and armed with a 105mm cannon. Panzer VIII Moss a super heavy tank, weighing 180 metric tons and armed with two cannons of 128mm and 75mm caliber. 2 operable prototypes completed. Panzerkampfwagen E-100 a planned super heavy tank, weighing 140 metric tons and armed with either 128, 149 or 170mm cannon. Gliders, Junkers Ju 322 Mammut a flying wing heavy transport glider. Piston engine aircraft, Focke-Achilles FAR 269 a planned tilt-rotor VTOL fighter. Focke-Wulf TAR 152 a high-altitude interceptor. Focke-Wulf TAR 400 a planned America bomber candidate with 6 radial engines and 2 jet engines with a range of 13,000 km in bomber configuration. Heinkel He-111Z a 5 engines Willing aircraft created by combining 2 He-111s and designed to tow large gliders. Heinkel He-274 a high-altitude heavy bomber with 4 inline engines with a range of 3,440 km, 2 completed by France after the war. He 277 a Euro a planned, advanced long-range bomber design, never built as a complete aircraft, evolved to be an America bomber candidate, to be powered with 4 BMW 801 radial engines and up to 11,000 km range. Junkers Ju 390 a Euro an America bomber candidate with 6 radial engines with a range of 9,700 km, 2 airworthy prototypes built and flown. Junkers Ju 488 a Euro a heavy bomber with 4 radial engines with a range of 3,395 km, Messerschmitt Me 264 a Euro an America bomber candidate with 4 inline or radial engines and a range of 15,000 km, 3 airworthy prototypes built and flown, Messerschmitt Me 323 Gigant a Euro a heavy transport with 6 engines, jets and rocket-propelled aircraft, Aradoa 234 a Euro the first operational turbojet bomber and reconnaissance aircraft, Aradoa .555 a Euro a planned jet-powered America bomber, Aradoa 560 a Euro a series of tactical bomber projects, Batch and Bar 349 Natter a Euro a rocket-powered vertical takeoff interceptor, Blochmund Voss pages 178 a Euro a turbojet dive bomber, DFS 194 a Euro a rocket-powered experimental aircraft, DFS 228 a Euro a rocket-powered high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft, DFS 346 a Euro a rocket-powered research aircraft, Fissler V-103R Reichenberg a Euro a manned version of the V-1 flying bomb, Focke-Wulf Triebfler 1/4 Gel a Euro a planned tip-jet rotorcraft, tail-sitter interceptor, Focke-Wulf TAR 183 Hucklebein a Euro a planned swept-wing turbojet fighter, Focke-Wulf TAR 283 a Euro a planned swept-wing ramjet and rocket-powered fighter, He 162 Volkstra-Currency-Gare a Euro a turbojet fighter, He 176 a Euro the world's first liquid-fueled rocket-powered experimental aircraft, He 178 a Euro the world's first experimental turbojet aircraft to fly, He 280 a Euro the first turbojet fighter design, prototypes only, He 343 a Euro a planned 4-engine jet bomber based on the Aradoa R-234's general design, Henschel HS 132 a Euro a planned turbojet dive bomber and interceptor, Horten Ho 229 a Euro a turbojet flying wing jet fighter bomber, Horten HXVII a Euro a planned flying wing jet bomber based on the Horten Ho 229, Junkers EF 128A. Euro a planned turbojet fighter, Junkers EF 132 a Euro a planned turbojet bomber, Junkers Ju 287 a Euro a Ford swept-wing turbojet bomber, Lippisch pages 13A a Euro a planned supersonic ramjet delta wing interceptor, Lippisch pages 13B a Euro a planned ramjet delta wing interceptor developed from the Lippisch pages 13A, Messerschmitt Me 109TL a Euro a turbojet fighter designed as an alternate backup for the Me 262, Messerschmitt Me 163 Comet a Euro the first and only operational rocket-powered fighter, Messerschmitt Me 262 Schwalbe the first operational turbojet fighter bomber, Messerschmitt Me 263 a Euro a rocket-powered fighter developed from the Me 163, Messerschmitt pages 1101 a Euro a variable sweep-wing turbojet fighter, Messerschmitt pages 1106 a Euro a jet fighter based on the Messerschmitt Me pages 1101, Skoda Korba SK pages 14, a ramjet-powered emergency fighter, Somme Boldso 344, a rocket-powered plane with a detachable explosive nose, Silbervogel. A Euro-planned suborbital antipodal bomber, Zeppelin Flygen Panzerfaust a Euro a rocket-powered very short-range interceptor, Zeppelin Rammer a Euro a rocket-powered ramming interceptor, helicopters, Flettner Floor 184 a Euro a night reconnaissance and anti-submarine autogyro, Flettner Floor 185 a Euro an experimental helicopter, Flettner Floor 265 a Euro an experimental helicopter, the world's earliest known airworthy syncropter, Flettner Floor 282 Colibri a Euro a reconnaissance syncropter helicopter, Fock-Achilles FAR 223 Drac a Euro an anti-submarine, search and rescue, reconnaissance, and freight helicopter, based on the pre-war FW-61, Focke-Wulf FW-61 a Euro an experimental helicopter, bombs and explosives, German nuclear energy project, artillery, Schürer Gustave an 800 mm railway gun, V3 cannon hot truck pumper high pressure pumper supergun, missiles, aggregate series, A1 the first German experimental rocket, A2 an experimental rocket, gyroscopically stabilized, A3 an experimental rocket with an inertial guidance system, A4 per volt 2 the first ballistic missile and the first human-made object to achieve suborbital space flight, A4 SLBM a planned submarine-launched ballistic missile, A4B. A5 an experimental reusable rocket, A6 an improved A4B, A7 an improved A4, A8 a planned submarine-launched ballistic missile, A9 America rocket a planned intermediate-range ballistic missile to be used to strike the eastern United States, A10 a planned lower stage for the A9 to upgrade it to an intercontinental ballistic missile, A11 a planned satellite launcher, A12 a planned rocket, capable of putting 10 metric tons into low Earth orbit. Enzian a planned surface-to-air missile with infrared guidance, Fulili F-25 Fire Lily a surface-to-air missile, Fulili F-55 Fire Lily a two-stage, supersonic surface-to-air missile, V-1 flying bomb Fissile V-103/Wunderwaffe the first cruise missile, Fliegerfaust pilot fist, or plane fist/Luftfaust air fist the first man-portable air defense system, Fritz X an unpowered air-launched, MCLOS guided anti-ship missile, the pioneering wartime example of a PGM, Henschel HS-117 Schmetterling Butterfly A. A manually guided surface-to-air missile, Henschel HS-117H a manually guided air-to-air missile, Henschel HS-293 an MCLOS guided air-to-ship missile, Henschel HS-294 an MCLOS guided air-to-ship missile torpedo, Henschel HS-298 an air-to-air missile, R4M Orkan Hurricane an unguided air-to-air rocket, Rheinbot Rhine Messenger the first short-range ballistic missile, Rheintochter Rheindotter a manually guided surface-to-air missile, Ersthaal X4 a wire-guided air-to-air missile designed for the Ta-183, Typhoon a planned unguided surface-to-air missile, Wasserfall Fernschlenked Flakrocket Waterfall remote-controlled AA rocket a supersonic surface-to-air missile, Werfer Granit 21 a heavy-caliber unguided air-to-air rocket, in use by the summer of 1943, G7 is Zornka paragraph NIG T5 a acoustic homing torpedo used by U-boats, orbital, Sungun a parabolic mirror in orbit designed to focus sunlight onto specific locations on the Earth's surface, rifles, Jagdfaust an automatically firing airborne anti-bomber recoilless rifle for use on the Mi-163, Mauser MG-213 a 20 mm aircraft-mounted revolver cannon, Mauser MG-213C a 30 mm aircraft-mounted revolver cannon, Sturmgewehr-44 the first assault rifle, Krummlauf a curved barrel for the STG-44. Sturmgewehr-45 a prototype, directed energy weapons. Reatron Betatron. Among the directed energy weapons the Nazis investigated were X-ray beam weapons developed under Heinz Schmellemeier, Richard Ganz and Fritz Houtermans. They built an electron accelerator called Reatron to generate hard X-ray synchrotron beams for the Reichsluftfahrtministerium. The intent was to pre-ionize ignition in aircraft engines and hence serve as anti-aircraft dew and bring planes down into the reach of flak. The Reatron was captured by the Americans in Bergub on April 14, 1945. Ra paragraph and Kanon. Another approach was Ernst Schiebold's Ra paragraph and Kanon developed from 1943 in Gruwelstheim near Aschaffenburg. The company Richard Seifert and Company from Hamburg delivered parts. Mission equipment, Zyelder Currency T-1229 Vamper active infrared for the Sturmgewehr-44. FG-1250 tank-mounted night vision equipment, fictitious, Die Glock, Nazi UFOs, directed energy weapon, see also, Nazi propaganda, secret and special weapons in Showa Japan, German military technology during World War II, notes. Rainer Merkel, Hans Kamner Manager des Tods, 2010 August von Goethe Literaturverlag, Frankfurt am Main, ISBN 978-3-8372-0817-7.